So let me show you how to see your laptop's specifications in Windows 11. So go to the Start button and then click on Settings. Under Settings, you want to go to the left-hand side and click on System. And then under System, if you scroll all the way down, you should see the option About. You want to click on that, and that's going to open up the system specification. So you can see the storage situation. I have 2 terabytes of storage. I have a 128 MB graphics card, and that's the model of the graphics card there. You can see how much RAM you have. You can see the processor and processor speed. And then you can go lower and see detailed specifications, including your product ID, your system type, your pen and touch. Then also you can see the specifications of the Windows operating system installed on your laptop. So that's where you can see all that information. Thanks for watching and good luck.